Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you love glowing, healthy skin using simple natural ingredients, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing coconut oil skincare hacks you need to try. These are tried, tested, and can literally transform your skin from dull to radiant. So grab your coconut oil and let's dive right in. Hack number 1. Use coconut oil as a natural makeup remover. Just take a few drops of coconut oil on a cotton pad or your fingertips and gently massage it over your face. It melts away waterproof mascara, foundation, and even long-lasting lipstick, all while keeping your skin soft and hydrated. No harsh chemicals, no dryness, just clean, nourished skin. Hack number 2. Overnight lip balm. Before bed, apply a tiny amount of coconut oil on your lips instead of your regular balm. You'll wake up with lips that are super soft and plump. Bonus tip. Mix a pinch of sugar with coconut oil for a gentle lip scrub to remove dead skin cells. Hack number 3. Use it as a natural face and body moisturizer. Coconut oil locks in moisture and gives your skin that healthy glow. If you have dry areas like elbows, knees, or heels, just massage a small amount before sleeping. It's a total game changer for dry or flaky skin. But quick note, if you have acne-prone skin, use it sparingly or only on dry areas to avoid clogging pores. Hack number 4. Under-eye treatment. Coconut oil is packed with vitamin E and antioxidants that can help reduce puffiness and fine lines. Every night, gently dab a drop under your eyes and let it work while you sleep. In the morning, your eyes will look fresh, bright, and well-rested. Hack number 5. Ditch the shaving cream and use coconut oil instead. It gives your razor the perfect glide and leaves your skin smooth, soft, and irritation-free. Plus, no more razor burns, just silky legs every time. Bonus hack, DIY coconut glow mask. Mix 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 teaspoon honey, and a pinch of turmeric. Apply it for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off for instant glow and hydration. And that's it for today's video. These simple coconut oil hacks can truly transform your skincare routine, all with one natural ingredient. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Let me know in the comments which hack you'll try first. Until next time, stay glowing and natural.